Hello people, today's video, let's go. Hello people, welcome back to my video. My name is Bagus and today's let's make the fried egg lockdown. This recipe is from Willgoz and right now I will teach you how to make this fried egg lockdown. The first thing you need to prepare is the ingredient. The ingredients are green leaf, 2 eggs, 1 onions, soy sauce, salt soy sauce, ground pepper, and of course oil. Not sponsored. And the tools you need is knife, glass, spatula, and pan. Let's move to the next part, is the cooking process. The first step you need to do is wash your hand. Wait a minute. Okay, I already washed my hand, and you need to cut the green onion first. Okay, I already cut the green onion and it will become like this. Next is you need to chop this onion into small pieces like a powder. Let's do it. Okay, I already chopped the onions and it will turn like this. Next, you need to prepare the sauce. And how to make the sauce is easy. First, you need to take your glass, pour this 1 tablespoon of salt sauce. Okay, I think that's enough. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next is pour the pepper, ground pepper, half tablespoon. Okay, it will turn like this. Next is you need to pour water in it. Pour a little bit of water. Okay, that's enough. And mix these ingredients together. Next, we need to cook this green onion until it become brown. Let's pour this green leaf. Wait until this green leaf turn into brown. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you before, we need to pour this onion into the sauce. I think it's already brown. Let's pour the egg. Now let's pour the sauce. Woo, it smells so good, guys. Well, this is it. The shape is not good, but let's taste it. The shape is not good, but the taste is very nice, guys. You need to try this lockdown egg, fried egg. Okay, I think that's all I can tell you, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you people.